Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your ordinary photo into a Halloween costume photo. It's easily and for free. It's perfect if you want a quick spooky pose for this Halloween season. And here we will be using an app called Face. And don't worry, it has a free plan with weekly credit so you can generate photos or video without paying anything. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Face app like this. And then if you don't have it yet, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. And once installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. That's the easiest and fastest way. After you log in, you will see the home page like this. And then just tap on AI filters. And then next, just scroll to the available styles until you find the Halloween filters or happy Halloween filters like this, and then just tap on it. There are several spooky themes, but for this tutorial just choose Halloween costume, this one. Just tap on it. This effect will automatically turn from your face or outfit into a different Halloween looks like witch, vampires, skeletons or dark fairies. It's a super fun, super quick way to get a Halloween ready photo without dressing up in real life. And then just select your photo. Just pick your favorite photo from your gallery and then make sure the photo has a good lighting and clear face for the best result. Like this, and then after that just tap on animate and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your Halloween costume photo is ready. As you can see the result, it looks so incredible and cool and super realistic. And so that's how you can easily turn your any photo into a spooky Halloween costume photo using Face, and it's all for free. It's super fun, super simple, and perfect for last minute Halloween content. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!